Well, in the mid 1800s, lighthouses took a really big leap in technology. Fresnel was a French physicist who created the Fresnel lens, and the Fresnel lens is way more common than people realize. Fresnel lenses are used in cameras. They're used in like big screen TVs, like the projection TVs,
Wow.
and all kinds of stuff. So the Fresnel lens is a really common thing. They're used in taillights in cars.
Really?
So yeah, they're very, very, very common, but really effective. So that was in the mid 1800s that this was created. And so what happened was lighthouses were able to go from big fires to candles, and those candles would have been amplified by the lenses and could then be seen for many, many miles.
I see.
Through the 1800s and early 1900s, they sort of evolved from candles to oil flame to like argon gas, anything that sort of kind of changed the evolution of a flame, because a candle flickers, but a lamp will give you a steady flame.
Right.
Will give you a steady light. But of course, as you progress with everything that we're talking about here is fire. And most lighthouses of the time were made of wood. And so fire and wood, they don't work so well together.
Right.
A lot of times you would get lighthouses that would burn because the keeper was not watching the flame, or the flame got out of control. Maybe a candle fell over, who knows, whatever. Like there's a lot of times that lighthouses would end up burning because of this open flame. And then as the light bulb was invented, and it was realized like, hey, we can use a solid light that is now not an open flame. It was sort of quickly realized we need to jump on this technology.
Yeah.
But the Fresnel lens is something that, even though the concept of the Fresnel lens has evolved, there are still lighthouses. We have one lighthouse here in BC that uses an original first-order Fresnel lens. And a first-order Fresnel lens is a giant monstrosity, like 2 meters high, made of glass, that is can be seen for like 30 miles away.
Wow.
So yeah, it's quite an impressive sight. Definitely something to see. But Fresnel lenses of this type are still used in some lighthouses today.
Man, very, very cool. Yeah, because
it's an interesting history, and Fresnel lenses are beautiful. Like they are absolutely stunning to see in person.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they like, how do you know how they're constructed? Are they always glass? Are they hand, like, I don't even know.
Original ones were made of brass and glass.
Uh-huh.
And of course, when you have something of that magnitude, so they would have the upper structure was the glass section, and would have rings and lenses and all kinds of stuff in it. And then the lower.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.